Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churro pretzels. First, gather your simple ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, butter, sugar, and cinnamon. Next, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, quickly add 1 cup of flour, stirring vigorously until the dough pulls away from the sides and forms a smooth ball. This is the base for your delicious churro pretzels. Now that your dough is ready, transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. This tip gives the churros their classic ridges. Carefully pipe the dough into small, intricate pretzel shapes onto squares of parchment paper. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently drop the dough, still on its parchment square, into the hot oil. The paper will detach easily after a few seconds. While your churro pretzels are still warm from the fryer, it's time for the irresistible coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. This classic blend creates that signature churro flavor. Carefully roll each warm pretzel in the cinnamon sugar mixture, ensuring it's fully coated on all sides. The warmth helps the sugar adhere perfectly. Serve these delightful treats immediately for the ultimate experience. For the best results, always maintain a consistent oil temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A thermometer is your best friend here. Don't overcrowd the pot when frying, as this can lower the oil temperature and lead to soggy churros. Feel free to get creative with dipping sauces, like a rich chocolate ganache or a gooey caramel. And for more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade churro pretzels.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.